Welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Another Saturday night. Not today. Another Saturday night, the song. Alright? You could put it up on, get the tune off the internet. Alright, and listen to it. Originally it was by, I believe, Sam Cooke. Alright, back in the 60s, early 60s. Alright, I'm going to be doing it in, let me see, what key am I going to be in? I'm going to be in the key of G. And here's something we're going to try now, is we're going to do this where I'm going to tell you the chords, and then when you hear it on the internet, okay, and you also, because I have the link below for where you could get the chords, and also where it transposes the chords. So if it's in the key of C, all you gotta do is type in G and the chords will come up in the key of G. All right, we're using 3 chords here: G, C, D. And yes, a lot of times it's always going to be in, a lot of the same keys, a lot of the same formats. All right, it's just that the lyrics and the melody is different. Another Saturday night. I'll do a little bit of it for you so you see what's happening. Another Saturday night. So, 2, 3, 4, C, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Okay? That's the verse. That's another Saturday night. Then the other part, well, that's actually, I said verse, that's actually the chorus. The tune starts with the chorus and then goes into the verse. So the verse is, I don't know the lyric, but it's da 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 da. Did you notice that that's exactly the same thing as what the chorus was? All right, this particular song, yes, it has a verse in this chorus, but the chord changes are exactly the same throughout the whole piece. And what I mean by exactly the same is that sequence, G, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, D, 2, G, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Work that out. See what you come up with. Okay? Part of the reason we're doing it this way is if you're having problems understanding something, you let me know, so I'll know to either correct you with that, or if need be, sometimes to correct me. I mean, I know a lot of things, but I don't know everything. All right? So have some fun with this. Another Saturday night. Listen to it first. Okay? If you need, pull up the chord changes. All right? As I'm saying, I'm doing it in G. All right? If it's in another key, that's fine. You might see it in D. Wherever you see it, but preferably to play it in G. All right? So if you have any questions about that, please contact me. If you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Enjoy your day.